I know exactly why you've taken bad clients in the past, and I'm going to tell you how you can avoid ever doing it again. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I've been there, done that, of course, running my own agency for 9 years. There comes a point when you take a client that you shouldn't take. I'm going to tell you quite candidly why that happens, and it's because a lot of times you need the business, especially when we're starting out. We're just trying to get some cash flow, keep things rolling, pay the bills, and sometimes we might be tempted to take a client or a case that we don't really want to. Maybe it's not a bad one, maybe it's not, there's nothing wrong, we wouldn't do anything illegal or unethical, but it's a client we normally wouldn't take if we had plenty of money and we were flush. How do you avoid this type of thing? It's building up your business. The two quickest things I can tell you, I'm going to tell you the super dirt cheap answer, and then I'm going to tell you the what might feel expensive but is super dirt cheap as well. The dirt cheap answer is right there. How to Make Money as a Private Investigator. It's my book. You can get it over on Amazon. Super great book. It's the ebook is only like $3.99. I don't remember what the paperback is. Not that much. It's the most fundamental, foundational thing about growing your business as a private investigator. 10, 20, 50 years from now, I think this will be the thing that I have made that still has tremendous value and will still apply then. Maybe some of the methods will change as far as, do you do your 3D projections in the future, or do you just do a snail mail letter? But the human things, the triggers and the methods for getting the sale, touching base with customers, getting potential clients to give you a call, that will all still be the same. The slightly more expensive thing that, wow, $37 for your business, come on, that's nothing, is my Smarter Selling for Private Investigators. I call it the missing manual. It's not really a manual. It's an online course that walks you through all sorts of nitty-gritty, really need-to-know type things. It even has essentially a done-for-you lead magnet in there. That separately is a $97 product, but you get it for free with the $37 course, Smarter Selling for Private Investigators. And I will describe this combination this way. The How to Make Money as a Private Investigator. This is the treasure map. This is the treasure map. Smarter Selling for Private Investigators. That's the tools. That's the picks, the shovels, the pans. I've done well, and since I've got the done for you lead magnet in there, I've even turned the first few spades of dirt for you to get to the treasure. If you're struggling with finances, but you're also finding yourself maybe even talking to or dealing with clients that are just kind of a pain in the rear. They're not necessarily creepy or wrong, but they're just more trouble than they're worth, but you still need that money coming in. Use the methods I teach in How to Make Money as a Private Investigator and Smarter Selling for Private Investigators. Get the cash flowing in so you can be really super picky about the customers that the clients that you choose to bring on board. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. I will answer all that I can. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.